I got them on the window.
Ooh.
Like right in front of her.
Good job. Wow. Oh, you're finding them too.
They go okay, come see.
All right, Taylor.
Yeah, see everybody, Drake, Yukon, Drake.
Taylor, show Dad. Show Daddy.
Yukon, Yukon.
Show Daddy all your eggs. Say, Dad, look what I got. Show him. Say, Dad.
Look at all those eggs! Look at all those eggs you found! Let's look at these. Oh, you did such a good job.
I like how I'm
Yeah, I know. Oh, that's so sweet.
Josh is the only one. Ready? You jump by yourself. Whoa! Jump! She can't do it. You must get a lot of exercise on this thing.
It's fun.
Wow, I want to
It is really fun.
You ready? Give me hands. We'll jump high.
Whoa!
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3!
Taylor is so nice to our dogs. Yeah, are you riding them? What are you doing? Where's Mommy? I can't even see Mommy. Where's Mommy? She's right there.
Each year for the next 26 years. Before the first check cleared, Bud threw a blowout party at a fancy restaurant.
My dad was ordering big platters of seafood, just celebrating. He called it the barbecue with the family, and I
Be careful, Taylor.
Taylor, the doggies are gonna hurt you if you keep doing that. You gotta be nice.
Friend Ann Carpet was also in attendance.
Yeah.
Did not feel like
Wow. Give it to Sophie. Give it to Sophie. Ready? Give it to me. Go get it, Sophie. What? Oh, she went outside.
Are you sure you can't wait?
Go get it. She's gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get your booty. Get you. Wow. Pippi. Pippi's silly. Where did she put her ball? She put it underneath this cat.